Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Spring, and in today's video I am giving you the big reveal of this office space. I have cleaned it, decluttered, organized, and even painted the walls in here. This video has inspired you to refresh a space or a room in your own home. Be sure to hit that like button and give it a thumbs up, and we're gonna get right into today's video. Alright, I have moved all of my glass items such as plates, candle holders, my glasses and vases. I have some more glasses that I'm going to bring in over here from my kitchen, but I want to get this all organized. This is the side where I'm going to keep all my florals, and I did just notice that this side of the closet is still the old wall paint color. This side is the white mocha. I need to get this done at some point, but today my goal is to get all of this organized. I'm also gonna have to go through a few of those boxes because I think some of it has home decor and I want to put that inside. But I left these here because I put my flower arrangements in them. So we'll leave that there, but I'm gonna dust off these shelves and then get this all organized. I'm giving you guys an overview of my office, what it looks like before. I have my 2 closets there. So this room is about 16 by 12, and my plan is to reconfigure it. I will set up on that side. Oh, and so what I'm going to do is set up my table there so I can start filming table decorating videos. So I'm going to set that up on that side. I'll move my desk over here to this side. I do need to straighten up all of the mess there, but my plan is to have this a really nice backdrop for all of my videos. And there's the real boss working right there. Say hi. Yeah. Also, this was previously one of my son's room, and yeah, the carpet needs to get cleaned as well. So I'm gonna get started on this, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an overview. There's my closets, all disorganized. And then in this closet, I'll take you guys along on this journey with me. So here's an overview of what the walls look like before I painted them. There were a lot of holes in them. We also needed to patch up the holes. There was, a good amount of damage done to the walls, but it was work. I'm so grateful I did it. I painted the large wall and then the 2 smaller side walls. So that took about 40 minutes. And then I'm just giving you an overview of what the room looked like with my desk and the shelf on the other side. So yeah, that's about it. And then this is all of the items that I took out of one closet, guys. I cannot believe this. Like, I kind of like to pride myself in saying like I'm don't like to hold on to items, but this was so much, and I'm really grateful I did this. I ended up giving away about 90% of all of these items, just showing you what the closet looked like after I took everything out, but we're gonna get to the big reveal here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This was truly a labor of love, and I was just so determined. I really wanted a dedicated space so I can do one of the things that I truly enjoy doing, and that is decorating tablescapes and inspiring you guys. My next video will be a Valentine's decorate with me, so be sure your bell notifications are turned on so you don't miss that video. Thank you guys. Bye.